getting a New Zealand tour just before the World Cup is a great way of getting acclimatized the conditions just before the World Cup.
Only a few months are left for the Women's Cricket World Cup to happen, and all the teams have started preparing in full swing. India is scheduled to play only one series before the Women's World Cup early next year. That's against New Zealand. But Indian women's cricket ODI and Test captain skipper Mithali Raj feels having a tour of New Zealand before the World Cup will be very beneficial.
See, the preparation has been good this year. We've played 3 series, 2 tours to England and Australia, and 1 home series. And I think the composition and what we were looking at as a team, we've been doing very well because we got to do that in Australia series. And we just hope that we continue to work towards what we aim to do in the World Cup. And getting a New Zealand tour just before the World Cup is a great way of getting acclimatized the conditions just before the World Cup. Well, like everybody, I'm sure I was happy, and as I said that any sort of recognition from the government of India is a big thing for athletes, and it's a great honor, and it's just as I mentioned also in the past that the honor is just not about me or for my parents, but for everybody who's kept the sport alive way back in the 80s, 90s to sort of pursue young girls to take it up in the 90s, and I'm sure this award will inspire a lot many girls in the future to take up the sport. Well, it has affected every other sport and everybody around the world. It's just not sports fraternity. And but then slowly, I'm sure that this year we've had 3 series, and sports is slowly getting back on track everywhere.